Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Happy Monday. I hope you have an amazing Monday. Okay, today's videos we're going to talk about which category of skincare that you should invest your money and you can see results. Did you know there are 10 categories in skincare? So if you want to know, stay tuned, don't go away. If this is the first time you watch my channel, hello, I'm Steve Jen. 90% of content on my YouTube are focused on beauty and skincare, and 10% is more lifestyle. A little bit about me, I have been working in the cosmetic industry in the USA for the last 27 years. I work as a beauty consultant, business manager, regional trainer, country trainer, brand ambassador. I also hosted many master classes to help people to get a beautiful looking skin. Also, I was on QVC for a couple of times. And I recently launched my own skincare brand called Yibu Beauty right here. Ta-da! Definitely check it out. So I have a lot of cosmetic experience, especially in skincare. That's why, if you want to learn more about skin and get a beautiful looking skin, healthier skin, younger looking skin, this is the channel that you want to subscribe. Because look at me, I will be 49 years old. Well, I don't think I look 48. I definitely don't look 20, but I think I look younger than 48, right? If this is something that you like, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here. Turn on the notification bell. I do a video every single day. Let's get to today's subject right now. Did you know there are 10 categories in skincare? Oh my god, that's so overwhelming. But there's only one category that you should really spend money, and that category will help you to see visible results. Okay, so first thing first, what are the 10 categories? You're probably thinking, am I crazy? 10 categories? Anyone heard that before? Oh, this is crazy. Are you ready? Okay. There's a cleanser category, toner category, essence category, serum category, face cream category, eye cream category, lip treatment category, face mask category, face mist category, and sunblock category. What did you know? Now you know. The category that will help you to see the result the fastest is the serum. Serum. So first, let's talk about what is a serum, how does the serum work, and why the serum will help you to see the category, okay? Serum, it's a treatment that will help you address very specific skin concerns and conditions. I'm going to give you 3 very basic examples right now, okay? If you worry about overall aging, the line, the fine line, the large pores, loss of elasticity, Dior have something called Capture Totale, and this product here, it's target multiple signs of aging. So this is really good that for people say, I don't really know what I need, but I'm just worried I'm getting old. So this is great. So this is a serum. If you say, I have a dry skin, I feel dehydrated all the time, I need something to hydrate my skin. So this is a glow recipe from Plump, the hyaluronic acid in there. So it's a hydrating serum. See, this is a very specific ingredient. Or you say that I have a rough texture, my skin feel very not smooth. When I wear makeup, I can see the makeup stuck in my pores, and I constantly feel like the treatment is not go into the skin to sit on top. Then we have, of course, my own brand, Yibu Beauty Multitasking Serum. The serum contains lactic acid, and this is all about natural exfoliation. So the serum usually are applied after your toner or essence and before the moisturizer. So what is so good about this is that when you wash, if you do a skincare properly, you wash your face, right? The face actually help to remove the residue, makeup, everything. Then the toner to balance the skin. If you use essence, it renew the skin, but if you don't, that's fine. So by the time you apply the serum, you already remove the top layer of the dead skin, top layer of the dirt, all the stuff, so the serum can go in the skin deeper. And once they go deeper, when you use, then you want to follow by your moisturizer. Moisturizer is a sealer. They will seal on top. So whatever the serum you are using, it will be sealed beneath the skin for long hours. So this way, the serum can do their job. And that is the reason why serum are usually more expensive than the moisturizer. And they are much more smaller size, and you can see a faster result. You may probably ask me that, well, I have a serum at home, I don't see any difference. Well, the 90% of problem, right, it's you're not using the right serum for your concerns and conditions. Meaning that, if say today, if you told me that I'm worried about aging, I see major lines and wrinkles, I see sagginess on the skin, and if you use just hydrating serum, you're probably not going to see a powerful result, because hydrating serum, yeah, it will plump the skin a little bit, but your skin is already sagging, so you need something stronger to build that elasticity, to build a collagen in the skin. So you need something more anti-aging. Vice versa, if you are using the anti-aging serum, but you told me that my concern is lack of radiance, my skin feel rough, then your anti-aging serum is not going to do anything of any of those conditions, any of those concerns. So using the right serum is so important. How often you should be using the serum? Well, you definitely want to use it twice a day, morning and night. And the next question is that most people have more than one skin concerns, right? You may have, for example, rough texture, but you also worry about aging. So you can use 2 different serum, one for day and one for night. That is totally okay. You are not really wasting the money, because, for example, if you're using one serum for twice a day, the serum usually is about 1 ounce or 1.7 ounce. They will last you about 2 to 3 months. That's it. But if you have a 2, you can double the time. So the 2 serum will last you 6 to 7 months, 6 months, because you're only using once a day. But you're getting better result. So 2 serum, if you can afford it, definitely do it. And can you layer the serum together? If you got the money, you have the serum at home, absolutely, absolutely. The only time you don't want to layer the serum is when you have a very, very sensitive skin. And when I speak sensitive, we're not talking about breakout, with a little bit turn red, right? We're talking about rosacea, asthma. Those real diagnosis from doctor, the sensitive skin. So you don't want to layer them. And then we can do more video about how to layer the treatment, but yes, you can layer. And how many serum can you layer? Well, your skin can only absorb so much skincare. If you layer more than 2, that will be too much overkill, and it doesn't do anything. So 2 is maximum at the time. So technically, you can do 4 serum a day, 2 for night, 2 for day, 2 for night, if you want to. Or you can just use 1 serum day and night. It depends your can you afford it or not. So, that's okay. So that's why the serum work. And when you should start using serum? You guys know me, I don't like to categorize skincare based on the age group, because age group doesn't mean anything anymore. You could be very young but have a very damaged skin, or you can be older like me, 48 years old, but I don't have a major damaged skin, so I don't need intense serum. So serum is really based on conditions and your concern. So which serum when do you start using serum? When you start worry about your skin, then you should be starting using the serum. And the first serum I usually recommend people to use is something with a lactic acid, something to exfoliate the skin. That is the fundamental of the skin. If you don't remove the skin fast, none of the treatment can go in deeper. If they don't go in deeper, you won't have a good skin. So the best serum out there, I think, well, not because it's my brand, right? It is my brand, Yibu Beauty Multitasking Serum. Why is this so good? Because first of all, the texture is like water. Most of the people don't want to feel sticky and oily on the skin, most of the people. So this water texture will absorb into the skin very, very fast. It's a vegan, oil-free, it has a lactic acid in there and different ingredients that not only help to exfoliate surface of the skin and balance the skin condition, so you are not going to feel irritated. A lot of time when you buy very powerful, very strong, like retinol A, to exfoliate skin, you may get sensitivity and you can't even use it in the daytime. You definitely want to use this at nighttime. So yeah, I just want to share with you today's video what category of product that you should invest and why and how. If you have any questions regarding skincare, feel free to message me here. For the faster response, message me on my Instagram, Mr. Jen All-in-One, and I can reply much more faster than YouTube channel. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video talking about skincare, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.